Hello, hello. Someone asked, do I only do baked goods? And I'm just scrolling through some of the pictures here on the Facebook site to show you that I do Salisbury steak and different soups. There's my rib. I love that sauce. Just some appetizers. This is just all the savory. We have 3 albums. One is savory, one just has the recipe cards, and the other one has pictures. You can go here and click on a picture, and it should take you to either the recipe or the video. But I have everything from breads and pasta. Look, there's Japanese eggplant, how to use your air fryer a little bit, some chicken piccata I just saw, pickles, hey, why not? And just many more. So, Cooking with Aunt Shirley on Facebook or on YouTube. I just saw chicken pastor. That's back at Chipotle, I guess it is. And there's Marry Me Chicken, which is so delicious. And my father-in-law just said he doesn't like meatloaf, but he's never had mine. So we have to do that next. And I hope you'll check it out. Okay, take care.